If you want to add emergency contacts on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your health application. Now at the top right corner, let's press on our account icon. Great, here we're gonna choose our medical ID. Let's press get started. So you should edit your information, add your name, date of birth, primary language, and organ donation. Right, and also here we can scroll down and we gotta find our emergency contacts. We gotta press add, press plus, add emergency contact, and choose a contact from your contact link. Contact book. So now choose your relationship with this person. Who is this? And press done. And that's how you do that. Also, you can add up many contacts, so you can press add emergency contact once again, or delete this one. Simply don't forget to press done when you are doing this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.